What is a humanoid robot? Building a robot is one thing, but building one that can walk, manipulate tools, and operate in a world made for humans. That's the real challenge. That challenge is the very purpose of the humanoid robot, a machine designed in the shape of the human body, including a torso, a head, 2 arms, and 2 legs. Their main goal is to integrate into our world, a world that is built to our scale. The aim of these robots is to mimic human abilities to move and handle objects, so they can navigate and work in our environments without needing major changes. To achieve this, they are equipped with advanced features. They have bipedal mobility, which allows them to walk, climb stairs, and move in tight or uneven spaces. Their arms and hands have complex joints and sensors for precise manipulation, enabling them to use tools and grasp objects designed for human hands. And of course, they have advanced sensors that function as their eyes and ears to perceive the world around them. The applications for these robots are fascinating. In the future, they could be our assistants in homes, hospitals, or offices. They can also be sent to explore places that are too dangerous for humans, like damaged buildings or disaster zones, without putting anyone at risk. Furthermore, they are a vital tool in scientific research as they help us understand how we move and how we interact with technology. When you think of a humanoid robot, visualize icons like Honda's ASIMO, famous for its ability to walk and run, or Boston Dynamics' Atlas, which has amazed us with its agility and acrobatic skills. In short, humanoid robots represent one of the most exciting frontiers in robotics. They seek to merge technology with our own form, proving that the future of machines could in many ways be very human.